Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Ma'am Sky. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Guys, this video I'm gonna share with you the Minecraft sword DIY and the Christmas wreath. For the Minecraft sword, we're going to use the cubes. We use two bags of those, and we need to shape it what kind of sword you want, and we have to start labeling up the colors, what colors is gonna be. After you shape it, you have to label up the colors. And this is super easy DIY. Now it's time to paint the cubes. So they decided to use the color purple and the blue, and that is how they paint the cubes, and they are having fun. We'll see how it turns out. And then after they painted the cubes, they just need to arrange the colors so they can make the Minecraft swords. And here it is, and it's gone. So what we did, we used the glue and the hot glue and the mud fudge, because just doing, the paint will stay. And it's pretty intact. And if you can see, you can always clean up. I think they put too much glue on top of each cubes. You can always clean it to make, or you can put glitter or spark sequins just to cover up the glue. But I'm just gonna wipe it, and it's really hold it tight. The kids put it all together, so it's not kind of even, but I think they did pretty good job, as I can say. And it's super easy. All you need to do, the cubes, the paint, and the glue, and the hot glue, and ta-da! Let's do this, the wreath. All you need to do, you have a ribbon, any ribbon you like, but that is the only ribbon I have, and the green one, the red, and the white mesh. And of course you're gonna need the wreath and the pipes and the board, known for the holidays. And I think I kind of like this one because I think this is the new Decor from the Dollar Tree. And the wreath, the metal wreath that I have, I used that like a long time ago, so I just kind of repurpose it. Previous DIY, I did the cutting, but this one I'm just gonna make it like a different technique how to do the wreath. So this is like, I'm just gonna wrap it around the wreath. I don't need to cut it each one by one, but this one I'm just gonna do it really quick. Now we are going to measure how long you wanna do the ribbon. It's up to you, but I'm gonna use the each line to do it. It should be the same size, the same length. It's up to you if you want to make it more 3, but 1 to 3. I'm only doing it 3 as I'm showing it on each corner. But if you want to make it look more fuller and busier, you can, do so. But I'm just gonna use this one mesh, this green mesh. I'm attaching the white mesh to the green pipes that I used earlier. We have to repeat the same process as we did in the green mesh earlier. The white mesh is done. Now we gotta do the third layer of the wreath. As you can see at the back, we're just gonna clean up. We're just gonna cut all the excess pipes that we use. The wreath is done. We use the white mesh, green mesh, and the red mesh. And now it's time to do the decoration. Add up some designs or, add some embellishment. I'm gonna add the gnome board. And I'm just gonna use the glue because I'm always repurpose the wreath. So I'm not gonna put or make it like really tight. Now we're gonna use the ribbon lace. We have to cut it the same length, and then we can use it to add some colors, some design into our wreath. here it is. My gnome for the holidays. I just hot glue the board to the mesh. I think it looks like something missing. I'm gonna check my stash, what I could use. As you can see in here, I just hot glue because as I said earlier, I always repurpose the wreath. I think I'm just gonna add the cherries, the berries from also a $1.03, you know, to make more design. I ended up adding the berries on the top and on the bottom, only on one side. I think I'm okay with that. Yeah, you know, always says simple is pretty. Berries on the board, so it looks like real, as you can see, and I think I like it. And my gnome wreath is done, and I'm happy about the outcome. I'm happy about the design. It's not that too much busy and fuller, but it's all up to you guys. If you want to add up more design, add more embellishment, more laces or ribbons, it's up to you guys. But for me, I'm pretty happy what I did. I like it. And Merry Christmas, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. And it's Ma'am Sky. See you on my next video. Merry Christmas!